Good day, everyone. My name is Angel Unay Quaresma, the second reporter of Example. If the performance task was demonstrated by 5 students and there are 3 raters, the rubric used a scale of 1 to 4 where 4 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. So, meron tayong table dito at Kendall's W formula. Kung napapansin nyo sa Kendall W formula, meron na ditong coefficients of concordance which is 0.37. Paano nga ba nakuha yung 0.37? So, meron tayong step-by-step process with the use of coefficient concordance formula or the Kendall W formula. So, now, we have, in the table, we have 5 demonstrations, which are A, B, C, D, and E. We have also rater 1, rater 2, and rater 3, with their corresponding score for each demonstration. So, to find the sum of rating, kailangan nating ipag-add yung nasa rater 1, rater 2, and rater 3. So, example, sa 5 demonstrations sa A, kailangan nating ipag-add yung rater 1, rater 2, and rater 3. So, 4 plus 4 is plus 3 is equals to 11. 3 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 8. 3 plus 4 plus 4 is equals to 11. 3 plus 3 plus 2 is equals to 8. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equals to 4. Ngayon naman, kailangan nating ipag-add yung nakuha natin sa rater 1, rater 2, and rater 3. So, 11 plus 8 plus 11 plus 8 plus 4 is equals to 42. So, kailangan natin i-divide ngayon sa number of demonstration. So, ilan nga ba yung number of demonstration? 5. So, 42 divided by 5 is equals to 8.4. So, dito naman sa D or sa difference, kailangan nating ipag-minus yung 11 minus 8.4 equals 2.6. 8 minus 8.4 is equals negative 0.4. 11 minus 8.4 is equals 2.6. 8 minus 8.4 is equals negative 0.4 and 4 minus 8.4 is equals to negative 4.4. Ngayon naman, dito sa D squared, i-squared lang natin yung nakuha natin sa D or sa difference. So, 2.6 times 2.6 is equals to 6.76. Negative 0.4 times negative 0.4 is equals to 0.16. 2.6 times 2.6 is equals to 6.76. Negative 0.4 times negative 0.4 is equals to 0.16. Negative 4.4 times negative 4.4 is equals to 19.36. Now, we are going to add all the D squared. So, 6.76 plus 0.16 plus 6.76 plus 0.16 plus 19.36 is equals to 33.2. Ngayon naman, we are going to substitute our mean and our D summation of D squared, and our Kendall W formula. So, W equals 12, the summation of D squared over M squared, where M is the number of Ritter, times the number of demonstration, times the number of demonstration squared minus 1. So, we have here the Kendall W formula. So, W equals 12, the summation of D squared over M squared, the number of Ritter, times number of demonstration, times number of demonstration squared minus 1. So, W is equals to 12. Ano nga ba ulit yung submitted of D squared? Ito yung 33.2. So, yung M squared naman, the number of Ritter squared. So, yung number of Ritter natin is 3. So, 3 squared times the number of demonstration. Ilan nga ba yung number of demonstration? Diba? 5. So, ilalagay natin yung 5 times the number of demonstration again. Lagyan lang natin siya ng squared. So, 5 squared minus 1. So, W equals 12 times 33.2 is equals to 398.4. 3 times 3 is equals to 9. Then, ilalagay natin yung 5. Tapos, 5 is squared. 5 times 5 is equals to 25 minus 1. So, again, 9 times 5 is equals to 45. Then, 25 minus 1 is equals to 24. So, W 398.4 equals 45 times 2, 24 is equals 1,080. So, 398.4 divided by 1,080 is equals to 0.36.8 or 0.37. So, the Kendall's W coefficients of 0.37 is an estimation of the agreement of the 3 raters in the 5 demonstration. There is a moderate concordance among the 3 raters because the coefficient is far from 100. How do we quantify result from skills and checklists? Skills could be a measure of non-cognitive dimension of a student's behavior. When the item in the skill are answered by students, the response format quantifies the behavior measured by the skill. So, the types of responses format vary depending on the nature of behavior measured. So, Likert scale. The Likert scale is used to measure students' favorability and unfavorability towards a certain object. The favorability will depend on the agree or agreement or disagreement to a standpoint. Example ng Likert scale. The policeman is helpful in the street. So, meron tayo ditong strongly agree, disagree, and strongly disagree. The second example is the current president of the country implemented the policy well. So, ilalagay lang natin dito kung strongly agree ba siya, agree, disagree, and strongly disagree. So, the third example is smoking cigarette should be banned in public transportation. So, ganun lang din yung gagawin natin? Tutukoy lang natin siya kung strongly agree, strongly agree, disagree, and strongly disagree. So, para ma-quantify the skills, a numerical score can be assigned to each of responses. For example, yung 4 points, ilalagay natin siya sa strongly agree, yung 3 points sa agree, yung 2 points sa disagree, 1 point. To get the total score for our scale, the point of each item can be summated or kailangan nating ipag-add. The total score is represented of the overall trait being measured. Usually, high score in the Likert scale represent the favorability attitude, and low score represent the unfavorability attitude. Norms are created to make specific cutoff points for the degree of the favorability and unfavorability. Dumako naman tayo sa verbal frequency scale. So, this is used to measure how often a habit is done. The items here are measured of a habit. So, example, I read a book. So, ilalagay natin kung always ba natin ginagawa, often, sometimes, rarely, or never. Second example, I wash my hands before eating. So, ganun lang din, ilalagay natin na always, often, sometimes, rarely, or never nating ginagawa. Similar to the idea of quantifying a Likert scale. A verbal frequency scale is scored by assigning numeral value for each response. When always is answered, it can be given 5 points. 4 points for often, 3 points for sometimes, 2 points for rarely, and 1 point for never. So the total score for the habit can also be estimated through total score by summating the score of all item. The higher score means high frequency of a habit, while the low score means lower frequency of the habit.